Hey lovies, welcome back. Thank you for coming back to see me. So today I'm going to be demoing this beautiful color by Lavender Violets that I picked up from Amazon. So if you guys want to see how I got this beautiful look, join me in the video. But first, I like to do a subscriber spotlight. Thank you so much, Miss Tora, for your support. I really appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, so this is my nails before. And today I'm using these new little clips to remove my nails, and I'm using the soak off liquid. Everything will be listed down in the description box, so don't worry. And I'm just showing you how I clamp them on. And I clamp these on and leave them on for about 15-20 minutes to get a nice soak off. These are very easy to use, quick. And if you want to soak your nails off quick, you may want to try these clips and the little pads that come with it. It came as a little set. My nails were awful, guys, and they had grown out so much, so I'm in much need of a nice manicure today. Alright, so there you go. And this is my nails after. Now today I'm going to use this new peel base off that I picked up from Amazon. From my understanding, it's supposed to make it easier to take the nails off. I'm not sure how that is going to work, but I am going to try it. From my understanding, you do a nice thin coat, a very nice thin coat, and let it dry, and then you just go in with your regular base coat for your dip powder nails. Okay, and today I'm going to be using the Lavender Violets. I also picked up a clear dip powder that is by DH Dip, I think it is. I just bought a big thing of that because now when I put on colored polish or colored dip powder, I want to make sure I do a clear coat before. I'm also using a new technique. I could not find my scooper, so I'm just using a small spoon to actually dip the powder and pour it on the nail. It's supposed to give it a nice even coat. It did go on very well, so yeah, we'll see how it actually does later on, but I really like this technique and it worked well for me. So again, I'm just using the Lavender Violets base coat, and I'm going in with the clear dip powder by DH Dip. I think that's the name of it, but again, I'll have everything linked down below. And you guys, please excuse the lighting in this video. I am trying my best. I promise it's going to get better. I'm trying to figure out how to maneuver my camera to do an overhead shot. So forgive this video, but it will look better as we go. And I think I figured out a great way to do it. So yeah, it'll look better. But the lighting is horrible in this video. But I still wanted to let you guys see how everything came out. So I think it came out pretty good, nice and thin. Alright, so this is the Lavender Violets. It's the Shimmer deep red color. It is so pretty. And I decided to use a dip tray with this, and I'm going to still use the Lavender Violets base coat again, and I decided to use a dip tray with this one because I felt like this glitter was going to get everywhere. So I thought I would use it to just catch my glitter so I can pour it back in. Alright, I'm still going to use my little spoon here. I could not for the life of me find my little scoop thing, but this worked just as good. Now normally, guys, what I would do here, I did not do it in this video, but normally what I'll do is take an orange stick and go around the cuticle area. I mean, you want to make sure you keep it nice and clean before the dip powder dries. I had to trim my nails because they had gotten so long, so I trimmed them, and my goal is to get a nice square shape. So we'll see. This color came in a set of 4. It was a shimmer, deep red, a pink. It's beautiful. It's 4 different colors. But like I said, I'll have everything linked down below so you'll know exactly what I used. And it was only $22 on Amazon. And it came with the whole set, your liquids and everything. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. I had already tried Lavender Violets before. I tried it. If you saw the gray that was on my nails, that came in a set. And I got that for like $20. It came with like fall colors. It was like a taupe, a black, and another taupish like tan color. And I tried the gray and really loved it. So I went in for more and got this red. So okay, now I put 2 coats on my nails. So now I'm just going in with the activator, and I normally get it all over. Make sure you get around, your cuticle area really good. So to prevent lifting, just to be sure. So I normally go over it twice. I guess I'm just a little OCD about it. I don't know, but I go over it twice, and I make sure I get around the tips of my nails and under there as well. The activator is what sets everything in and makes your nails hard. That is so pretty. Okay, now I'm going to go in and just file around my edges real good, and just to kind of relieve any of that powder that may be, set it in the cuticle area or around the edges. So I make sure I go around there real good. Now these files, I'm going to also include those down in the description. I found these files on Amazon. It came in a set, but they're very soft, and they have the edge ones and everything. So yeah, I'll link it down the bottom. Now I'm going to go in with my buffer block. And I will tell you guys this. I've been experimenting with several different brands, and I'm going to be bringing to you guys. So stay tuned. I'm so excited. But I found that if you do nice even coats, you can even skip this buffing part if you want to, and just go straight in with the top coat. But I just prefer to buff because I like to go in around my cuticles and make sure everything is nice and even. So yeah, but it's a preference. Once you start and you play around with it, then you'll be able to see what I mean. But yeah, these buffer blocks are amazing. They came in a pack of, I want to say 10. But I'll include all those down in the description so you can see everything you need. Okay, now I'm just going to wipe over my nails with alcohol pad or just alcohol and clean everything up. Now I'm going in with my top coat. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and please subscribe to my video if you have not already. If you're not a part of the family, please, I would love to have you. So go ahead and click that subscription and hit a like and leave me some comments down there in the comment box. I would love to hear from you guys. I'm a chatterbox and I like to talk. I take time to answer all comments or questions that are left for me, and I am now going to be doing a subscriber spotlight to spotlight some of those subscribers who are supporting me and let you know how much I appreciate you. So I'll be doing that at the beginning of each video from here forward, because I want you guys to know that I really appreciate you and being here with me and growing with me here on YouTube. Okay, so yeah, now I'm going in with, again, still on doing the top coat. I put 2 coats on. You put 1 quick coat on and let it dry, probably about 30 seconds, and then go in with your second coat. Very pretty. Okay, now I'm going in with coat 2. So yeah, I'm gonna be bringing you guys more videos on nails, because I love doing my nails. I'm not an expert by far, but I love doing them. So look out for that, and look out for a dip powder essential kit, things you need to do your nails at home to get that salon look. So look out for that video. It'll be coming soon too. And there we go. Look how pretty. So pretty. And this is the finished product. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video.